Hello everyone! Welcome to Simple Foods. Today we're going to be showing you how to make some delicious, mouth-watering banana bread muffins. For this you need a half of a cup of yogurt, a third of a cup of honey or agave, 1.5 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 eggs and 3 ripe bananas and some topping. We're using strawberries.
Yeah, you can use any fruits or nuts or anything.
Also, you also need a greasing method such as butter or oil or something for the pans. For materials, you will need a spatula, an electric mixer, a whisk, and a muffin tin. Yes. So I think we can get started. Yes. First, you'll need to take your ripe bananas and whisk them into the bowl that we got to mention before. And yeah. And we're going to use our masher to mash up the bananas. Yes. Before we get started, we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so after you mash the bananas, then you can add in your 2 eggs, and afterwards the rest of your white ingredients. So while David adds in the eggs, you also, I just want to let you know, you're also going to add in your yogurt, honey, and vanilla extract.
Yeah, these are the wet ingredients, as some people call it.
Or the damp ingredients, or the moist ingredients.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to whisk this together.
You don't need to whisk it that much, just a little bit to make it combined into a mixture.
Now we're going to add in our yogurt. Yep. Our vanilla extract.
You don't need to mix it in between, but I'm just crazy. I love being crazy.
Just a little bit. And our honey. This might take a while.
You can just use a spoon, you know?
That's kind of true.
So, after we added in our wet ingredients, now we can add in our dry ingredients.
Absolutely.
And if you don't know what our dry ingredients are, it's the
Flour and the baking soda.
I was gonna say baking soda.
Okay, stop. Baking soda.
Yeah. So we're gonna put it in here.
No puffs, no puffs. No puffs. Go, David. And our baking soda.
This gives the muffins a bigger and more thicker consistency to make it more
Puffy.
yes.
And it makes them rise pretty much. Okay, so after David's done mixing, we're gonna go ahead and scoop them into our greased muffin tin. We used oil to grease them. They can use cooking spray if you'd like.
There's still some flour in there, honey. Use the spatula to get it from here to here.
Or you could use one of those mini ice cream scoops, but we don't have one of the fancy ones, so we're gonna be using spatula. You can use butter or oil or cooking spray, any method you want. Even if you have cupcake liners or muffin liners, I guess, you can put those in there. We don't have those, so we're using just oil, and that's pretty much it.
So yeah, let's do that, and then we'll cut to the part where we filled every single little tin with muffin dough batter. Cut to that part. So once you put the batter into the pan, then you can add in your
Toppings.
yeah. We used some strawberries and just cut them up, and then
They look so good and they taste absolutely amazing. Also, if you're wondering, we fill up the batter to about 3/4 of the way full.
yes.
Delish! Now that our oven is ready, because we were smart and preheated it at the beginning, they're ready to pop in.
Yes.
We'll see you once they're done.
Yeah.
Bye!
Okay, so now that our muffins are done, now we have to leave it to cool for like
5-ish minutes.
Yeah, 5-ish minutes.
You
And
already
then
did that?
you can serve it to your
Besties,
yes.
siblings, families,
Or you can
Pets?
just hog it and eat it all yourself.
yeah, they're really good.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now.
Just kidding, guys.
Family friendly content. Okay, so let's try it. Super good. soft and squishy, and it just screams organic.
What?
Yeah, it's screaming organic.
I think I have a question for you. Oh, okay. Wait. I gotta get ready. Okay, I'm ready. Go.
What kind of key opens a banana?
Oh my goodness. These kinds of hard questions. You just don't even ask me these kinds of questions. Please.
A monkey.
Ha! I see what you did there.
That's it for the family-friendly content. Sorry we haven't posted for a very long time. We will try to get back on the schedule. And yeah. Until the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Yes, because flour makes them rise, as one scientist
goodness.
said so.
Flour doesn't make it rise. Flour makes it floury.
Okay, so to fill the cupcake,
Oh my goodness. Are you
Okay.
instructing on how to fill
yes,
a
it
muffin
is. Just
tin?
say